Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. In today's video, we will learn to factorize the expression 4 minus x squared. To know more about factorization, please visit mathstoon.com or check the link given in the description box. Now let's start. This is our given expression. Now we will rewrite this expression as 2 whole square minus x squared. As we all know that 2 whole square is equal to 4. Now look that this is in the form of a square minus b square, where a is 2 and b is x. So we can now put the formula of a square minus b square in this expression. Applying this, we get 2 minus x times 2 plus x. Now as we cannot factorize this further, so finally we get 4 minus x square is equal to 2 minus x times 2 plus x, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave a comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Please hit the bell icon to get notification of new videos earlier.